Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. I have been a bit absent because I've had a chest infection, so I've not been doing a lot of driving. So if I sound snuffly, that's the way it is. I want to look at Highway Code 186, and it's all about roundabouts, and it's all about indicating on roundabouts, one of my pet hates. Approach a roundabout because you're taking the first exit, then you indicate as you're approaching, so exit left, keep in the left-hand lane, and then exit the roundabout. If you're going round the roundabout taking more than the second exit, then you indicate appropriately. You indicate right as you approach the roundabout. You swing round the roundabout, and then you indicate off the roundabout. Highway Code 186. It's worth looking at the highway code. It's not, you know the old thing, a dog is for life, not for Christmas. I think the highway code is for driving life, not just for passing your test. I'm keeping my hand here because of the sun. So I'm going to drive from Denton, just outside the jackdaw here, put it on the map, and take us down to Sainsbury's at Park Farm. And the reason I'm doing that is because we have six roundabouts to navigate. So it'll be interesting to... Whoa. Car's a bit jerky. I left that a bit tight, didn't I? Come on, car, wake up. It's been a bit cold. And it's been telling me all about the ABS light has come on. So I think that's what it was, it's jerking. I think my ABS needs a bit of tweaking. Right, national speed limit. This is the A260, which takes us from coming off the A2 down into Folkestone. Junction on the right. I'll read out the street signs just so that, I'm reading the road. I travel this road so frequently and kind of think that I'm used to it, I know what's happening, but you still need to, read the signs. Another junction on the right, bit of a blind bend here. So what I'll do as I approach each of these roundabouts, I'll read out kind of the instructions, why you would indicate at which point on the roundabout. And I think I might award some trophies and raspberries if I'm stuck behind anyone, and then they're either indicating or not indicating, because that's the example that we need to see. Lovely sunny morning. Lovely clear road. Bends in the road and no footway, so that's what that sign means. You might get pedestrians in the road because there's no footway. Tight bend, junction on the left. It's quite a nice road this, it's quite straight and long, but there are hidden junctions and driveways, so just be aware if you're travelling this road that you might see vehicles coming out or wanting to turn in. Hidden dip. You don't notice it until you're right on it. Roller coaster. Whee! Currently doing 60 because it is national speed limit. So there's one car pulling out. Got Crossroads ahead. Just dropping my speed. In fact, that car's wanting to turn right, so it's causing me to slow down right away anyway. That's the first Crossroads. Now I've got another Crossroads. Slow-moving vehicle ahead. I've already seen a few cars overtaking it, but with plenty of oncoming traffic, we might end up being stuck behind it for a while till it turns off. Assuming the cars in front decide not to overtake if it's convenient. Cars overtaken, 2 cars overtaken, 3 cars overtaken, so it's just me and the highway codes vehicle in front. He should overtake now, and I will too. I should get in here quickly. Lovely. Entering into Denton, so we've got a 40-mile-an-hour zone. Car parked on the pavement. You can squeeze by that. Another car on the pavement. Bend in the road with the junction. Another hidden dip. Place is full of them, the A260. Right, we will be approaching the first roundabout. It's kind of a Y configuration, so I'm not going straight across, I'm kind of going right. So I need to approach it indicating right and then indicate off the roundabout. Plenty of cars in front, so we'll see who indicates. I think I'm probably primarily only focused on the car in front. And you need to be indicating off because there could be a car waiting to enter the roundabout and he doesn't know what you're doing, and if you just don't indicate and pull off, he could have already gone. It's really inconsiderate. Right, I'll count the number of cars that don't indicate. So we've got a little Renault up ahead, not indicating. It's going right, didn't indicate. The Skoda's going right by the looks of it, didn't indicate. And the van, Peugeot van, didn't indicate. Raspberries. That's the first roundabout. Maybe people think roundabouts are just, oblivious sections of a main road and you don't need to indicate. But they are actually junctions. It's just that they've got the kind of more priority in terms of the car that's on the junction, if that makes sense, because you give way to vehicles on the right. Right, so is it Citroen or Peugeot? 3 didn't indicate. I'm indicating off, allows the Nissan to know what I'm doing, you see. That's roundabout number 2. 40 zone. To cars on the right. I'm kind of conscious that I'm watching the cars indicate off. All three of them did not indicate off the roundabout. The Mini behind me is not indicating off the roundabout. Highway code 186. Check it out. It'll make you a better driver, I promise. That was roundabout number 3. Did I say there were 6 on this journey? I think there are. Roundabout ahead, reduce speed now. Want to go all the way round, so I'm approaching in the right hand lane and I'm indicating right. We've got the Seat in front. He's indicating. The Toyota's not indicating, but going all the way round. Oh, it's a Citroen, not a Renault. He's indicating now. Skoda's not indicating. The van is indicating. It's hit and miss. It really is. And he's indicating off. I'm channeling my indication requirement vibes to these cars. Oh, we've had an accident. Maybe someone wasn't indicating. What do you think? Well, it wasn't an accident. It's just somebody. Oh yeah. We've got smashed up vehicles here. That spoiled someone's Saturday. That was roundabout number 4. Got 50-mile-an-hour zone we're in now. Oh, my cold. I suppose it's the season, isn't it? Send me some get well vibes, people. Get rid of this chest infection. Right, don't get caught out here. We're approaching a 30 zone. Even though this whole stretch is 50, we suddenly enter this 30 zone. Primarily because it wants us to slow down, but because you've got this junction on the right where the car is, right before the roundabout. Approaching the roundabout, I shall indicate right. The Citroen eventually did. The van is indicating right. Vehicle to my right, so give way. And indicating off, although going in the outside lane. Surely you should enter a dual carriageway off a roundabout by keeping to the left-hand lane. I know she's probably turning right at the next roundabout, but you can move over when you get there. National speed limit, permitted to do 60 here. I'll stick at 45. That was roundabout number 5. One more to do. Oh no, there might be 2 because there's the Sainsbury's roundabout. It's probably 7 then on this route. I will have been awarding trophies and raspberries, because I've not done that in a while. I've got to knock out a few videos today because I've been neglecting the Drive with Care channel. I normally push them out every 5 days. It's been a couple of weeks now since I put a video out. Approach in the left-hand lane, indicating left. A couple of round. Beamer didn't indicate, but everyone else did. We're going across this roundabout, we'll indicate off the roundabout. These guys are indicating. Lovely. That's called Roundabout Etiquette. If we all do it, it makes life a lot simpler. It's a true story. Didn't indicate because it was the left-hand lane. Let's roll up somewhere here just to stop the video. Watching out for pedestrianis that might be crossing. Let's indicate in here. Pull up in this space here. So there you go. Highway Code 186, all about traversing roundabouts, where to indicate, what lane to be in. It's worth checking up if you've not looked at the Highway Code for a long time. Okay, I'm going to knock a few videos out despite my blocked up nose. I think I might nip into Sainsbury's and get some nasal spray. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching and bearing with. Bye for now. Drive with care.